Hello there! In this video, we're going to explain the concept of rich area surge. Firstly, we need to log in, and after that, we proceed to select the Booking Trip option from the menu. On our dashboard, you'll notice the pickup address and destination address fields. When we add a destination address, we can better understand the use and purpose of rich area surge. In the context of taxi services, rich area surge typically refers to a location with higher demand and potentially greater economic influence. Implementing surge pricing in such areas can serve various cases and purposes within the taxi flow. For instance, surge pricing in areas of influence allows taxi services to maximize revenue by adjusting fares based on the increased demand in locations with higher economic influence. It helps maintain a balance between the supply of available taxis and the heightened demand in these areas. Taxi services must strike a balance between leveraging surge pricing for revenue optimization and maintaining customer satisfaction. Clear communication, transparency, and ethical practices are essential for managing surge pricing effectively. This is the purpose of our rich area surge. So, we begin with setting surge area pricing. In the admin panel, the rich area can be set, and then the pricing for these areas can be determined. Now, let's go through making a trip using the rich area surge. We start by adding our pickup location. You then add your destination address. Following that, we add the destination address. Here we see the destination later, and we also have the option to add a stop if we want to. But for now, our focus is on rich area surge. We select our service type, and then we receive notifications for getting an estimation and viewing the driver list. And that's how we go about using rich area surge for our trip. We can view the estimate here. You can see the base fare, distance fare, time fare, along with the cancellation fees, tax, and any service type. Here you can see the rich area for pickup, and here is our destination. Then, you can see the distance and the time. If you look here, you'll find the surge pricing, which is set according to the rich area surge. This depends on the admin's configuration of the surge area and the pricing for that predefined area. Now we can select our ride type, such as rental, rideshare, or an open ride. We're going to choose Now for this instance. Here you can also see the payment methods available, like cash, card, and even the option to use your wallet balance. If you wish to add another card, that option is also available. Next, let's look at the bidding options. However, since we're going for a normal ride, we won't be using the bidding feature. Additionally, you'll notice the area where you can apply any promo codes or offers if you have any. Just click on the Apply button if you want to use one. You can directly enter your promo code here and apply it. Finally, here's the Ride Now button and the option to schedule a ride. We're choosing Ride Now because we don't want to schedule this ride. So, by clicking on the Ride Now button, you can confirm and proceed with the surge pricing. If you're interested in selecting surge-based pricing for a high-demand area, we'll confirm it here. You'll also be asked whether you're opting for a fixed rate or a normal rate. We'll choose the regular rate. If you decide to select Yes, your pricing will be calculated according to our estimated view. However, if you go for No, your pricing will be applied based on the time and distance traveled. Additionally, we can apply a price based on our area surge multiplier. So, we're opting for No. Once we make this selection, our trip is created, and we wait for a driver's response. When a driver accepts our trip, their details become available to us, such as the driver's name and their phone number. You can also view the driver's rating, and you'll have access to a chat option if needed. You'll see information regarding the type of vehicle the driver has, the driver's vehicle license plate, and your pickup address, and the destination address. If you need to alter your destination, you have the option to change it by clicking the Edit button. Here you can confirm your chosen service type and, if necessary, change your payment method, whether it be cash or card. You'll be able to switch your payment gateway here. Next, you'll see the current status of your trip displayed in the status area. You'll also find options for split payment and canceling your trip. While split payment allows you to share the fare with friends, we won't delve into that now, as it's covered in another video. Regarding trip cancellation, you have the ability to cancel your trip provided it has not yet commenced. If you decide to cancel, you can do so seamlessly before the driver starts the trip. We wait for the driver to arrive at our location. Once the driver has arrived and is ready to start the trip, we're unable to cancel. At this point, you'll notice the cancellation button is no longer available. Here, you can view the details of all your trips. As our trip begins, we wait for its completion. Once the trip is completed, you can see that it is finally over. By clicking on the Show Invoice button, you can access all the details of your trip, including ride charges, taxes, and other charges. You'll also be able to view the customer's payment method, be it cash, card, or wallet. Here, the wallet option is available. Additionally, you can see the surge pricing multiplier, allowing you to view the surge pricing. Although we can't specify which areas are surge areas, we can set pricing according to the surge. You can also track the status of your trip, including when it is created, accepted, when the driver is en route to your location, when the driver has arrived at the pickup location, and when the trip starts, as well as when it is completed. Details of the trip are accessible, such as the driver's name, driver's phone number, your pickup address, and your destination address, as well as the pricing. You can even select the service type. Finally, by clicking the Submit button, you're able to submit your invoice. After submission, you'll have the opportunity to rate your driver. Here, you can provide a rating and also give a tip to your driver. You have the option to leave comments about your trip as well. Click the Submit button to complete the process. We have finally completed our trip. As you can see, our Rich Area Surge trip is now complete. We hope you've understood the flow of how to create a rich surge area trip and how it works. We appreciate your time and hope the process was clear. Thank you for watching this video.